Good morning, friends. So I'm going to show you how to do your mask. I hope you can see it. There we go. The angle is down. Okay, so first, get any color paper that you want, and we're going to fold it like a hot dog. There we go. And then we're going to fold it again like a hamburger. Okay. Then we're going to open it up. So, this is the part that's kind of tricky, so I'm going to go ahead and angle it down. Okay, so this is what you have. I'm going to use a marker, but I would suggest a pencil. Just want you to be able to see it. You're going to start, here we go, at one of your, so my paper is right now horizontal. I call it the north, south, east, west, just to kind of help you out. So at the east, I'm going to make a curvy line. I'm going to try to match that curve all the way around. There you go. And then, with my paper vertical, I'm going to make a mark where I'm going to cut. So I'm going to make sure I cut on the fold. So there's 4 folds. Now I'm going to go in between, in the middle, and make more little marks. The short marks are for where we're going to fold the mask to make it more fitted. So now we need the eyes. So I usually put them right here. You can also put the paper against your face and kind of help yourself out and kind of get a little gist. And then the mouth. The mouth is we're going to go up through this line and kind of put it against your own mouth. I kept messing mine up and mine was like super big. You also might need a couple little tallies down here by your chin. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now we're going to cut this out, okay, the outer edge. I know this looks big, but by the time we actually put it together, it won't look as big as you think. So this is the part after you cut it out where we're going to cut the little tiny slits. So we're not cutting all the way, just about 1 inch in on those parts. I'm going to do the mouth and the eyeballs last and go all the way around. Good. Okay, so for the eyeball, depending on things, let's see here. It's too big, so usually you can hole punch something and then cut around it. If not, you can poke it with something. I'm just going to do it this way. And kind of lightly fold it a little. Cut a slit and cut the eye out. This is like the 3rd one I've made, and I feel like the eyes, every time I do it, the eyes are a little bit too small. So, and then let's do the other eye. And when you decorate this, you can use whatever you like. I happen to have some beads and buttons to glue on there, and I use marker to make designs. So remember, whatever you have at home, oops, I always forgot the mouth, is totally fine. So I'm just going to do a few designs, and then I'll show you how to put the mask together. There we go. The trash thing over here. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. And I'm going to decorate it with my high school. So I went to Ursuline. So I'm going to decorate with some Ursuline stuff. So we were the bears. I was a class of '06. I know, right? Super old. Be funny to do different eyebrows. I mean, use a bunch of different colors. Have fun with this. You can also add like some of your favorite things in here, remember? That's all listed in the directions. So, yeah, just have some fun with it. Okay, so I should really add more, but I just want to show you how to put it together. So, you can use glue, but I prefer tape or a stapler. So I'm going to get my tape out. It works really well with double stick, but I only have regular Scotch. So you're going to start at the top like a clock, and I'm going to work counterclockwise. So see how there's two flaps? One goes over, and then half the tape goes on, the other piece goes under. See, it's already kind of forming. So the way you can do this is two ways, right? So one way is to do just the paper, and that's totally fine. If you want to, I made this cardboard mask using the paper, the white paper, as a template, so as like the form around it, and then I placed the finished white paper on a cardboard box. So it was just the side of the cereal box because it's pretty thin, flat cardboard. Okay, so, and then we all know the last option is you can do it on your face. I'll show you a video about that. Or you can do paper mache cardboard and then do the paper mache on top. Okay, using the same paper as a template, but we're not putting the white on top. This is something where you can use, I'll hold this up a little bit better, you can use like, I have some paper, some lime green, you can see it, paper, and I was going to kind of do some torn paper and paint, or if you wanted to paint the whole thing, if you have paint at home. I know some of you do not, so that's why I wanted to give you as many options as possible for this project. Yeah, okay, so let's keep going. And if you want, I'm going to get some tape ready for myself. Just tear off little inch pieces. Alright, so you don't want to do too much because then it'll be funky. You only want to do just a little bit. There we go. So I've been doing right over left. So here we go. And remember, you don't want to do too much and pull one side over too much. So I'm only pulling just a little bit. And I'm going to do the bottom section last. Let's come back over and start again. It's kind of funny. We go counterclockwise and then I go back up. So, still doing the right little side over the left. I'm going to tape this down. And you could always, print out the Google Doc if you have a printer and not do it the way I'm showing you now to map out your mask. I think it's a pretty easy way to map it out. There you go. So it's already forming, which is pretty sweet. And then at the bottom, you can go ahead and do the bottom part. So we'll do the chin. So remember, right over lip for the chin. There we go. And right over lip for the chin. So let's get the other chin piece too. And if you want to, you can make a nose opening, but I did not do that. So you kind of decide if you want a nose opening or not. Or you could just draw a nose. Alright. So we're gonna, let's see here. So what I'm gonna do is overlap my bottom like that. I just bent the paper right there. There we go. And there we go. So I'm going to lift this up and show you my mask. Pretty, ooh, yeah, pretty accurate. I might need to fix my mouth hole. A little crooked. There we go. So if you have a hole punch, that's great. You can hole punch the sides and use string or ribbon, or you can just kind of hold it up. I know if you have like a stick or a popsicle stick, or just for the time being want to attach some kind of stick to kind of hold it, because you are going to be taking photos of yourself with the mask or without the mask. We have to kind of curious what everyone's looks like. Yeah, so if you have any questions, let me know. And if you feel like you're short on supplies and you can't finish the whole project or what have you, just let me know. And good luck. And make sure that you also add more designs than I did on this one. You know, make it look more like this one. Okay, it's pretty sweet. It's kind of fun to wear on, you know. Anyways, all right, good luck.